Are you tired of hearing that making money is only for the rich and experienced? Well, guess what? The game is changing. Whether you're just starting out or have zero experience, money can absolutely start coming your way. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, we're diving deep into a question that so many of you have. Is money really coming for the small and beginner? If you're someone starting from scratch, no fancy tools, no big networks, no deep pockets, then this video is tailor-made for you. We live in a world where it feels like the opportunities are locked behind walls of money and experience. But here's the truth, the digital era has completely leveled the playing field. The opportunities are real, and they're within your reach. You just need to know where to look and how to start. Let's talk about why now is the best time for beginners to earn money. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok allow anyone to start sharing their talents or knowledge. Whether it's baking, gaming, or teaching math tricks, you can monetize your content over time even with zero investment to start. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer simple skills: writing, graphic design, data entry to earn extra income. And the best part, many clients are happy to work with beginners at lower rates. Even if you don't have your own products, you can earn by promoting others' products. Platforms like Amazon affiliates or ClickBank make it beginner-friendly to earn commissions. Thanks to free resources like YouTube tutorials, blogs, and online communities, you can develop new skills while making money. For example, start selling print-on-demand products with simple designs and learn graphic design on the go. Now that you know it's possible, let me give you a simple roadmap to follow. Don't overwhelm yourself. Pick one income stream to focus on. Maybe it's starting a YouTube channel, freelancing, or selling handmade items on Etsy. If your ultimate goal is to make $1,000 a month, break it down. Start by aiming for $50, then $100, and so on. This will keep you motivated. Use free apps and platforms. Canva for design, Google Docs for writing, and YouTube for learning. You don't need fancy tools to get started. No matter what path you choose, show up every day. Small efforts compound into big results. Join online communities of like-minded people. Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Discord channels are great places to connect and learn from others' experiences. Let me share a quick story. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started selling handmade jewelry on Etsy. At first, she made $50 in her first month, but by consistently learning, improving her designs, and marketing her products, she now makes $2,000 a month. Then there's Mike, who had no experience in video editing, but started with basic projects on Fiverr. A year later, he's earning enough to quit his 9-to-5 job. These are real people. If they can do it, so can you. Now it's your turn. What's stopping you from starting? Drop a comment below and share your first step. You're officially part of the journey now. And hey, if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, it's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed. And trust me, money is definitely coming for the small and beginner. You've got this.